What is business? This week we will cover the foundations of American business. The learning objectives in this module will be to cite the ways the U.S. government affects, restricts, and protects business, identify current production and operations processes, identify the 6 eras of business, define key business terms, and define business ethics and explain the role of social responsibility in an organization. An overview of the foundations of American business. Business is the nation's engine for growth. A growing economy is one that produces more goods and services with fewer resources over time, which yields income for business owners, their employees, and stockholders. So a country depends on the wealth of its businesses that are generated from large enterprises to tiny online startups. This module sets the stage by defining business and revealing its role in society. Assigned reading will be Fundamentals of Business, the Basics of Business Structure, as well as Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility. You will also be assigned video viewing. The videos will include The Foundations of Business, Lesson 1.2, Business Ethics, Corporate Social Responsibility, as well as Business 100, Brief Overview of Business, Profit Errors, and Environments. Lastly, this week's assignments will be the following: a discussion post, which will answer, what are 3 responsibilities businesses have to be ethically compliant? Post your response in the discussion forum, respond to at least 2 other students with a 150-word minimum, as well as create a minute paper. In your words, describe what is business. First, view the video titled Minute Paper below. Next, post your response in the minute paper discussion forum. Respond to at least 2 other students with a 150-word minimum. For any assistance or support, add it to the discussion forum and email me directly.